So I have here a piece of aluminum drip edge, which goes on the bottom and sides of the roof. So the idea of the drip edge is to keep rain, to keep water basically out of the roof by protecting the 2 to 3 inches right at the edge. So what happens is with the driving rain, you can get water forced in under the shingles here. If there were no drip edge, that would immediately hit the wood, right? The faceboard and the structure of the house. And so drip edge protects that. So even though water can drive its way in under the shingles, the drip edge goes in far enough to keep that from seeping into the house and guides water down along the edge. So it simply goes in like this. You just put it right down over the aluminum fascia. You overlap it down, of course, as water runs down. You put it on top of your underlayment like this. Underlayment goes down first and the drip edge on top of it. That way, even if water gets in further, it's still the building is still protected. And then on top of this goes your starter shingle or edge shingle with a continuous tar strip, and then the final shingle on top of that. Then you have kind of a 3-piece system on the edge to keep the perimeter of your roof safe and sound.